Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mamesa Channel, a faith healer, also Mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of June 2024 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga hagilap. So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-liglig na guumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit. So let's watch this. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Ano kayo gusto sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha? And this is the Hermit card. So there's a spiritual, no? This spiritual illuminations and the soul searching and being inner guidance, no? Something a spiritual journey. Talagang binibigyan ng mensahe ka dito na this is the spiritual journey for you na may mga pinagdadaanan ka, no? About sa spiritual. Pagsubok, tagumpay, parang gano'n. May pagsubok at tagumpay, no? Between that. And there is that Seven of Swords. There is a sneakiness, betrayal, no? Cheating, lying on you, maging aware. So something a deception, dishonest. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito with the Nine of Pentacles with the security. So, kailangan maging secure ka and slow and steady. Maging kalmado sa mga plano, sa mga gagawin mo. And there's a commit, no? Mag-commit ka kung talagang gusto mong gawin, no? And of course, there's a something hard work is paying off. Additional messages. So, there's a Nine of Pentacles with a blossoming abundance. So, there's a reward effort. So, may mga bagay dito, maaaring malalasap mo talaga ang tagumpay, no? Kumbaga, maging mahinahon, mag-ingat, no? Maraming taong tuso at maraming taong sinunghaling sa paligid mo na maaring linlangin ka at may mga taong lukohin ka. Maging aware sa mga bagay o mga pinoproteksyonan mo from finances, love life, and career. So let's see what is additional messages. So there's a page of swords spying, looking, watching at you or something and get more information. Marami ka pang dapat malaman, no? And of course, marami ka pang dapat matutunan. There's the Ace of Wands for a new beginning. So magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong pag-asa dito. And there's a new project and new opportunities, growth, and of course, something potential for new energy, for new plans. So let's see what is this Hermit card. So there's the higher fund. So there's something education and lesson learned, no? Marami ka na napagdaanan about sa spiritual. So parang pahiwatig na matuto ka na, no? Parang binigyan ka ng katalinuhan at malinaw na kaisipan at may malinaw na paniniwala at kaliwanagan sa nangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. The Seven of Swords represent the judgment. You need to pay attention. Mag-ingat ka. Maraming taong sinungaling at malulok sa paligid mo, maging aware. Baka mabudol ka. Now, there is a Nine of Pentacles. Represent what? And of course, there's the High Priestess. So, there's a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So, may mga bagay dito na, kumbaga, hindi mo pa lubos nalalaman or hindi mo pa lubos kilala or may mga lubos na hindi mo pa lubos na uunawaan at nalalaman, no? There's a Nine of Pentacles with the slow and steady. Be grounded, no? Kailangan maging kalmado ka, wag kang pala desisyon. The Nine of Pentacles represent the Three of Pentacles with the collaborations, no? Sa pakikipag-ugnay, pakikipag-usap, and there's a something unity, teamwork. So, sinasabi dito, maaring magkaroon ka na reward effort, no? And of course, achievements and success here. So, let's see what is the Page of Swords. Represent the Four of Wands by homecoming and celebration. Now, may mga celebration dito na mangyayari na. There's a family gathering. No? Kumbaga, kailangan maging mautak ka at magkaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito sa bagay na to. So, let's see what is the Ace of Wands. Represent the King of Cups. So, there's a devoted supportive person. Yung person mo, napaka-devoted naman yan. Supportive naman yan. Pero eventually, you need to do something na magkakaroon ka ng bagong plano, bagong eksena para magkaroon ng sa ganun, same energy, no? Kumbaga, maging consistent yung energy niyo dalawa. So, let's see what is the Hermit card here because the Hierophant. So, there's the Four of Swords by intuitions, no? Parang pinapatalas ang iyong kaisipan at kaliwanagan dito. No, this is the something at thoughts and of course imaginations, intuition, ambitions. No, kumbaga may mga bagay na pinagdaanan ka about sa spirituality. Gamitin mo yung spiritual knowledge mo about sa nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. So something education from the past na kailangan mong i-adapt ulit sa ngayon, no? The Seven of Swords because the Judgment represent what? The Page of Cups. So, tama ang hinala mo. There's something intuitions, no? Kung sino tong sinungaling at maluloko sa paligid mo or either just sa eksena mo, no? Kumbaga, you need to pay attention. This is the final decision. This is the wake of inner calling na you need to pay attention, no? There's a self-evaluation, no? Kumbaga, natuto ka na eh, no? Kumbaga, natauhan ka na, no? Kumbaga, there's something curiosity inside yourself na parang nagkakaroon ka ng pangamba or something hinala, ganon. Eventually, tama ang hinala mo. So, let's see what is the Knight of Pentacles and because the High Priestess. So, there's the full card for a new beginning and leap of faith. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, maaring, magkaroon ng bagong eksena talaga dito at bago simula, may mga bagay talaga na kailangan maging mahinahon, no? Maging kalmado kasi may mga bagay dito na baka laruin ka sa eksena with unexpected moment, no? Yun i-expect mo, tapos backpack, biglang hindi mo pala akalain na ganun yung mangyayari. Pero there's something blessed in this, guys. Yung parang hindi mo akalain ganun mangyayari, pero this is a good good consequences, parang ganun, or something kumbaga, good ship, no? Parang hindi mo in-expect na ganun yung mangyari, pero maganda pa pala yung kalalabasan dun sa mas gusto mong mangyari. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Represent the King of Pentacles being practicality, no? Kailangan maging practical kapag dating sa finances, no? At maging mautak, no? Security provider. So, let's see what is that Page of Swords and because the Four of Wands represent the King of Swords. Stop the pattern, no? Maging matalino at maging mapagmatsyag, maging mabusisi sa mga bagay o sitwasyon na nangyayari sa iyo from your family, friends, and of course, kumaga, surroundings. So, let's see what is the Ace of Wands and the King of Cups. So, there's the Six of Cups. So, see, there's the past person na coming back, na may maaaring bumalik sa'yo from the past, or something, a reunion, or something unite, and there's a healing, and of course, a familiarity gift, no? Maaaring, kumbaga, this is the moment na para magkakaroon ka ng new project, new plans, and of course, a new opportunity na magkakaroon sa'yo ng growth and expansion, no? Dahil dito sa pagbabalik ng bagong eksena, no? Parang hindi siya bago, parang this is a familiar situation. So, let's see what is additional messages for the outcome. So, there's the Temperance for healing, no? This is the healing session or something healing energy na kailangan maging kalmado, no? At sinasabi dito with the Ten of Wands, matatapos na yung burden, obligation, responsibility, and stress, no? Healing eh. And there is something of Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy, stay on your ground, no? Guarded and solid investment is here. So, kailangan magtipid, mag-ipon, no? Iwasan mo yung mga luho at mga alam mong walang katuturan. So, let's see what is additional messages about sa career. Pagdating sa career mo, guys, so, there's a Death card. So, there's an ending and a new beginning, a transformation, a big break, a big shift. Now, a major changes coming in for you. This is something, transition. And, of course, letting go. No? Starting new. Additional messages about sa career. So, there's the Five of Cups na nagre-represent na something regret at disappointment. Marami ka man pinagsisihan, pinanghinayangan sa nakaraan mo pagdating sa career. Eventually, this is a transformation, no? Yung panghihinayang at pagsisisi, papalitan ng kaligayahan at papalitan ng karangyaan at kasaganahan. So, let's see additional messages about sa love life. So, this is the Magician for manifestation and the word card represent the trouble. So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, pagdating sa relationship, maaaring magkaroon ng desires into reality. Yung dating pinangarap mo lang, abot kamay mo na. This is the word card na babaguhin ang mundo mo. Na hindi mo in-expect na tong tao na to ang magpapabago ng kinabukasan at buhay mo. So, let's see additional messages about naman tayo sa health. Sa health mo naman, there's the Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a consequences. Kung ano yung ginawa mo siyang aanihin mo. So eventually kung ano yung mga bagay o masama na kinain mo, kumbaga naging ano ka doon, naging inabuso mo yung sarili mo doon sa pagkain or bagay na yon. Kumbaga there's something consequences. So ibig sabihin nito, this is the harvest time, na this is a result or harvest time nga, no? Kumbaga kung ano yung tinanim mo siyang aanihin mo. Kaya kung ano yung mga bagay na gagawin mo, maging ingat, no? Mabusisi sa kakainin, iinumin, nang alam mong hindi makakasama sa iyo. So let's see additional messages. And this is the moon card for something, an illusion, and hidden agenda or hidden eksena, no? There's an unseen. May mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos nakikita ngayon, no? Maaring inabuso mo yung sarili mo sa ganto, ganyan, pero eventually kapag hindi mo tinigilan at hindi mo tinapos yan, magkakaroon ng something failure and complication. So maging aware ka sa kinakain, iniinom, ginagawa mo, bad habits yan, no? Kaya kailangan maging aware ka. So let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages. For magical fairy messages represent what? And this is the trouble. Guys, may trouble ka talaga guys in fairness. And there's a new career. At magkakaroon ka na panibago pang career. Wow! So let's see what is additional messages. So let's see what is additional messages for synchronicities. And there is a soulmate connection. Wow, there's a soul contract or something connected kayong dalawa na person mo, no? So let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit. And there's a love, no? There's a something connected. Talagang, di ba? There's a soulmate and there's a something na pinangharap mo. So this is malalasap mo. And there's a reflections, no? Kung ano yung mga bagay na ginawa mo ay magre-reflect lang sa'yo. So be aware, no? Sa mga bagay na gagawin mo, actions man yan or decision. So let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card, represent what? Karma, justice is here. So may mga bagay talaga na karma is waving and there's a something detachment and coldness. Kung alam mong tong tao na to, iba yung pakiramdam mo sa kanila, lumayo ka, no? Umiwas ka. And this is the masculine energy. Baka yung person mo masculine siya or either this is a masculine energy na paaring malakas ang atake sa'yo. And there is a something, or you are being masculine. And there's an alchemy by ancestor, guys, no? Kumbaga may mga gabay ka na may mga mahal ka sa buhay na gumagabay sa'yo. And there is an avoidance. I told you so. No? Mag-ingat ka sa mga kinakain, iniinom mo. Nakakasama yan sa'yo. So let's see what is the romance angels. For romance angels represent what? And there is healing family issues. So, see, matatapos na yung gusto pagdating sa pamilya. And there's a keep open mind, no? Maging open mind ka sa pagdating sa relationship, no? Kailangan bukas ang iyong kaisipan, no? Pagdating sa inyong nararamdaman, pagdating sa relasyon. Hindi pwedeng tinatago mo yung nararamdaman mo. Eventually, kailangan mo yan spread out. Pag ayaw mo, ayaw mo. Ganon. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages for you is a sense of humor, no? Kailangan tignan mo yung lighter situation. Be optimistic all the time, no? Para hindi ka nakakahatak ng nega. And there's a be gentle with yourself, no? Kumbaga maging wag mo masyado pinipressure yung sarili mo. Kumbaga may mga bagay dito ng hinay-hinay lang. Wag maging padalos-dalos, no? Wag mo masyadong pinapagod na sarili mo. And there's an explore your options, no? Kailangan tingin kayo mga bagay na alam mong itong way na to, magkakaroon pa ako ng eksena maganda or something. May mga, or either optional or kumbaga marami pang choices, ganon. So let's see what is the energy. What is the energy represent the man holding a coin? So, if you were a man, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you were a woman, baka yung person may marunong hawak ng finances. And there's a contract, no? May pinagkasundaan, may mga bagay, or there's a marriage contract either, or either kontrata. And there is a door to the personal healing and happiness. No? Bukas ang pintuan para sa sariling kagalingan at kaligayahan. Diba? So, let's see what is Monsology. For Monsology, represent what? Have faith in your dreams. No? Magtiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo. And there's a show the world the real you. Ipakita sa mundo kung sino ka talaga, kung ano talaga yung totoong nararamdaman mo. A personal issue reaches resolution. Ang mga personal na problema ay masusolusyonan na. And there's a new start is coming. So talaga magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula. So let's see what is the angel's answer. Angel's answer represent a remain positive, no? Panatiliin positibo, no? Sa lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa iyo. And there's a no. Marunong ka dapat humindi, no? Hindi pwedeng oo, diba? Marunong ka din dapat humindi. And there's a no, no. Wag daw talaga. Wag na wag. Ganon. Hinding-hindi. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there is an angel of support and guidance. No, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. At the same time, there's a spiritual activation. No, nag-activate ang iyong spirituality. Kaya para unang baraha, this is the Hermit card for spiritual journey. So, this is something na parang marami kayong pinagdaanan na about sa spiritual. No, battle man yan, kumbaga arguments or something, competitor rather. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's an environment. So, sinapapalibutan ka talaga ng mga tao sa paligid mo na inggitera. Kaya kailangan, kumbaga, mag-boundaries ka, mag-set ka ng boundaries, no? Sa mga tao or paligid mo. Na kung alam mong nega or toxic tong tao na to, i-cancel, i-block mo sa buhay mo. There's a something miracle. May himala, ha? There's a something healing. And there's a guilt. Marami nagagalit sa'yo at marami naiinggit sa'yo. There's a something perfection. Na maaring, kumbaga nagagalit sila ka parang naiisip nila na parang ang perfect mo na, parang gato ganyan, na ang ganda na ng eksena mo. So parang, this is something an evil eye contract, no? Parang ganon. There's an the insecure. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a builder na papalakasin ng iyong pundasyon, papalakasin ng iyong eksena dito. Na patitibayin ka ng mga karanasan at pinagdaanan mo. There's a family na malaking involvement ang iyong family or something, family ng person mo, rather ganyan. Kumbaga, something na kasama sa life purpose mo. Ganon. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. And there's an empathy. So, see something about side. Kailangan ganun katumingin sa situation. Hindi pwedeng one-sided ka. Hindi pwedeng ganun. There's a something failure. Marami ka mang bagay na hindi na pagtagumpayan. May mga bagay ka mga nabigo. No? Kung baga sinasabi sa'yo dito, it's an opportunity to learn something. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for angel spirit guides. And there's the cosmic heart. So, sinasabi dito, there's something make your life a moving prayer. So, there's a devotion and pondo na kailangan mo magdasal, magmuni-muni, no? Na magkaroon ka ng protection sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo at paligid mo. Archangel Raphael messages, give us your care. So, something na kailangan mo nang alisin yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kailangan mo magpatuloy na ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. So, there's a trust them. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quote said, forgiven shall be forgiven, no? Kumbaga magpatawad ka at pagpapatawarin ka ng ating pong may kapal sa mga bagay o mga sitwasyon na nangyari sa isa nakaraan. Diba? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent what? 0909 by new beginning. So, magkakaroon ka talaga ng bagong simula dito. No? This is a great chance, opportunity, courage, and accomplishment, ending and conclusion, big love. So, this is the opportunity. Look out for an opportunity that might be a game changer. You are completing something major. It feels good, good to level up. Close the old chapter, a new adventure will unreveal. So, ibig sabihin dito, tapusin at pakawalan na yung mga nangyari sa isa nakaraan, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at magle-level up ang inyong eksena, at ikaw yun, kumbaga galing mo magbali ng eksena dito, binago mo no? Binago mo ang sitwasyon at binago mo ang kapalaran mo. Ang galing. Kumbaga may eksena dito na parang ito yung possible na mangyayari sa'yo, pero eventually, binago mo. No? Ang galing. Kumbaga marunong kang, kumbaga baguhin ng nakaraan at nakatadhana para sa'yo. Diba? So, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent all that is. So, pinagsama-sama na lahat ng ganap sa eksena na to. Today, I notice the love that powers all of my life. I see that each tiny part of the universe is an expression of the love. I am aware of the presence of God in all things. I am often myself in the magic. I marvel at the splendor of all that is, of which I am truly a part. So, see, kumbaga pinapakita sa dito, this is the, kumbaga, got to believe in magic, no? Kumbaga, may magic talaga na nagre-represent with a God. So, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo with unexpected moment. May ibibigay sa'yo na something mysterious way, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo inadya, pero tinadhana sa'yo ng ating pong may kapal. So, guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of June 2024 for the sign of Scorpio. So, Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat pa sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-umapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo at maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!